Welcome, guys. My name is Sebastian. I wanted to talk to you about today, give you a little bit of a sneak peek on what's happening today. So we have a party at the shop, and it's been something that I always wanted to do, and we invited the entire team with families and customers and vendors. That's been always on my mind. I never had an opportunity to do that because we did not have a shop. Now just kicked my tripod, but now we have one and I'm super excited. So I couldn't sleep. I woke up at 3:30 and I'm here now. It's 5:30, getting ready, and I'm getting ready for a couple things. One is we're going to report a podcast with my mechanic and create more content around trucks and just the industry, and hopefully you'll find value in that. So I'm very excited about that. We've already practiced a couple times on and talked about what we're going to talk and what is the podcast going to be about, and we're getting ready for everybody to come in. We're going to finish some projects in the back that we have, clean up the shop. We're going to have some bouncy houses for kids and activities, and that's something that is very important to me because it's relationships, and relationships to me are very important because without that you wouldn't be able to scale and you wouldn't be able to create more value, and that's very important to me. And I could give you an example of a relationship that really helped me out, and it's somebody that I respect and have I'm not going to say names, but I respect that person, and we are connected in a way, but I've never thought that one thing that he would help me do would help the company and my journey to scale it up. And the story is, I was renewing insurance for my trucking company one day, and as some of you know, that could be a very daunting process, and it takes some time, and it's also expensive. So you want to save money, and you want to make sure you're talking to the right agents, and that they back you up and they help you find the best coverage for you and a good coverage. So I reached out to a friend of mine, and he pointed me. I was at a place where the current agency didn't really know what to do, where they couldn't bring anything to the table. I was rapidly growing, and I reached out to somebody that had a bigger company, and I was like, I would I'm stuck. I don't know what could I do. I'm trying different angles, and he pointed me to somebody, and that worked out perfectly. So I'll be always grateful for that, because without that I wouldn't be probably as confident going forward as I was. And that person that he recommended created a lot of great results, and the relationship is strong. It's been a couple of years now, so we've had a relationship for some time now, and it's been amazing. So, and that's one of the examples that I wanted to tell you. There's more, but that's why I decided to do this party. It's that important to me that we create a community and create relationships around each other that help us get where we want to get, and ultimately don't ask for things. Always try to give back and create good things for your community and for the people around you. So thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you we've reached 500 subscribers, and that's super humbling for me, because 500 people care on what I want to talk about, and I appreciate you watching. Definitely feedback and comments help. And again, thank you very much. And watch some videos from the party. I'll definitely post a video, and I'll talk to you soon.